Hi, I'm Mauro Epis, and today we will replace the LCC on l'Elite PL82 Kate. The coffee bean hopper must be empty. If it is full of coffee beans, please grind them all. Turn off the machine and remove the power cord. Open the water tank cover and remove the water tank. Use the PH1 screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws and remove the bean hopper. Use the T20 Torx to unscrew the 2 screws of the top cover of the machine and remove it. Now pay attention to not damage the flat cable and use the clipper to cut the plastic tie. Use the flat screwdriver to lift the little wing on the block of the LCC display and the pressure gauge. In order to remove them from the body of the machine. Use the PH2 screwdriver to unscrew the first screw and remove the LCC. Remove the flat cable. Pay attention to not pull the wire but remove the connector. Take the new LCC . Screw the screw in the up hole, in this. Use the cross screwdriver to screw this screw. Do not lock the screw, you have to move it. Now we connect the flat cable in the black port, not in the red. Reset the block of the LCC display and the pressure gauge. The tab must be inserted in the split on the bottom surface. In order to complete the operation, use the flat screwdriver to push down the 2 little wings. tighten the plastic time. Cut. Place the top cover. With the T20's Torx screwdriver, screw the 2 screws on the panel. Insert the bean hopper and use the PH1 screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws. Insert the water tank back in its sleeping position, the water tank cover. Connect the machine to the power means. With a new LCC, the machine will start as a new machine. And first of all, it's better to do the reset. Keep it pressed the plus button and turn on the machine. The display show press it on, turn off the machine and turn on. The machine will start with the factory default setting. That's all. Thank you for watching.